What is going on, guys? Custom RC Mods here, and today I'm going to be showing you an easy mod to make some stick stabilizers for your Mavic Pro. And so you might have seen, if you own a Mavic, you might have seen a lot of accessories that basically hold the sticks in place during transport so that you don't mess up or break your controller while it's in a soft case. And I think that those are great, except for when it comes to me, I don't like buying little accessories that I can probably make on my own. And so this is a stabilizer version. This isn't gonna completely stop your sticks from moving, but this is going to help them not to like be jerked around because they're moving together. So basically, this is what we're making. It's like a big loop with some tighteners on it. And so what you're gonna need for this is you're gonna need two longer zip ties, and you're going to need two little baby zip ties. And you can do them out of the same length zip tie, but the smaller zip tie for the little ones, the better. So I'm basically just going to barely tighten each one on, and barely tighten that one on. And then I'm going to find the right length. So I don't want them to be too wide, and I don't want them to be too skinny, I guess, in on each other. So I'm gonna find the perfect length, and I'm just gonna test them, make sure that it's just perfect. So just there might be some trial and error. I'm going in just a few little clicks on each one, and there it is, perfect. So then to finish it off, all I have to do is put these two zip ties around it, and then so I like to do them in the same direction because I'm a neat freak sometimes when it comes to making little modifications that like to look good. And then you can cut all these little pieces off, but basically what this is going to do is you're going to cinch them all the way towards their respective stick, and this is going to keep the sticks moving together. So as you can see, if I push this stick, the other one moves kind of with it. So this is going to make it so when one stick pushes, you can stabilize it with the other stick and things like that. So of course it's not going to prevent all movement, but this is good. It's a cheap, easy mod if you don't really think that you want to get a stick, kind of a stick mount over top, because you know sometimes they're a little expensive and other times they're just kind of not really worth it for $1 that you can. Shipping probably costs more, but anyway, so this is a great mod just that can be done in a few seconds, that is almost the same, but again not quite as stable as something like that. And in future video, if you like this, I can make something that would do everything that a stick stabilizer off of like Amazon would do. So if you're interested in something like that, please comment down below, and I will definitely shoot a video like that for you guys. So that's how you do it, and then it just can slip right in your bag, of course after you trim everything up. And so that's the video.